Today I'm going to show you how to get daily top posts and stories notifications in X, also known as Twitter, so you can stay updated without having to check the app all day. This is a quick and simple setting, and once you turn it on, X will send you a daily email update with the most relevant posts and stories. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick step-by-step guides just like this. Now, let's jump right into it. First, open X on your browser and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once you're on the home screen, look at the left navigation bar and click on More. This will open up the full menu with additional options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account, privacy, and notification controls. Next, in the Settings menu, click on Notifications. This section controls what alerts you receive from X and how you receive them. After that, select Preferences. This is where you can customize the different notification categories to match what you want to see. Now click on Email Notifications. This opens the email-related notification settings for your account. Here, scroll until you find the section labeled Top Posts and Stories. Under that section, you'll see an option for Daily. Simply toggle Daily on. Once it's enabled, X will start sending you a daily email notification for top posts and stories. That's all there is to it. You've now turned on daily top posts and stories notifications in X, and you'll start receiving those updates automatically. It's a great way to stay informed without constantly checking your feed. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more useful X and Twitter tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.